Hi and welcome to my place. Whether you need a crown or something beautiful like this for a wedding, or maybe you're going to a ball, and I went to a ball at the weekend and we had to all put a bit of effort into it because there was an award. Well, not that I care about awards, but I sort of thought that if I was going, I might as well put a bit of effort into it. So what I want to show you today is you can either make something like this or buy it, because the very cheap and expensive shops are my best friend at times. So I want to show you how to take this little crown here and turning it into something like this. Isn't that just beautiful? That took me all of about 10 minutes to make, and the hardest thing was going into the very cheap Chinese Emporium and finding all the bits that I needed, because I think that was $2, and by the time I bought all the $2 earrings and all the other little things, I think it was all up about, I don't know, maybe $20. But isn't that just beautiful? I looked and felt like the queen. Okay, so what you need to do is have your crown. So here's your little crown here, and you can either leave those little wee bauble things on, the little wee sparkles on, or you can take them off. You also need things like these, which are the brooches. I think they were $2 each. I just love a little bit of paste jewellery. So I've got a whole heap of lovely little things here, and I've also got, I think I bought this here and it was, I don't know, maybe it was $4. And who's going to know in the sparkle of night whether it's 2,000 or 200,000 or $2? Who cares, as long as it looks good at the end of the day. Okay, so you'll need a hot glue gun and you'll need some glue sticks, and you might like to find some little embellishments like this. This is a little bit of, I think that was some fabric I used for some trim on a ballet outfits years ago. Or you can also buy the little scrapbooky little things like this, that you can buy the sheets that you can just, peel and then stick on, which are quite good. And even though they do have that gluey bit, that gluey bit there is meant for paper, not actually to be fixed onto something like that, as I've discovered. So very, very easy, starting off with your glue. And I started from the bottom, and I want to extend this little bit of metal plasticky bit here by just using getting this little bit of fabric and then just gluing that onto there. Now, the other thing I need to share with you is, see how all that little gluey bit's all sticking? This is when you can get yourself into a little bit of trouble, and you can get a little bit of a burnt hand. So what I do is I got a little bit of the baking parchment paper, or something that is going to be easy, that any glue getting on, if you need to apply any pressure, then you can apply the pressure over the top of the paper so that you're not actually going to be burning your fingers. Okay, so that goes around to there, and there's just a little bit here that I need to just fix a little bit more of that onto. So that can just go into there. Oops. And then I'll just cut that surplus bit off there. That was a good trick that I discovered. So that's just given that a little bit more of a definition, and it's extended it down a wee bit better, and it looks better than it did with just the metal onto it. Now from here, the next thing is to get a pair of wire cutters and just cut the little stays, the clips from the back off that. And I just went and bought everything in 2s, or if you wanted to, you could do it into 3s. And it's just now a matter of, if you don't want that bit there, these are so cheap, these things, that those little things just all fall off. So we'll take those off, and where are those? There. And put a bit of glue onto that, like so. And then that can just go into there. Where's my paper? Come back here, because I do not want to be burning myself. Squeeze that onto there like that, and it's just a matter of just working from the middle. So that's quite nice, that little bit there. So I'm going to leave that there, and then see what I mean? If that goes to fall off, just take it back. Okay, so we just put that onto there. See, that's moving. That's better. Put that down to there, and then it's just a matter of just placing all of the bits that you want to put onto your crown or your base to build it to whatever it is that you desire. And so I've done, you see where I'm going here, that needs, just hold that just a wee bit further, but it's just a matter of, as I've done here, just layering all your bits and pieces onto it and extending it down to make it look a little bit grand and a little bit more delicious. And I think it's just gorgeous. And as you can see in the picture, I did feel like a queen all night. And if you wanted to take this on to be for, maybe you're getting married, just get yourself some tulle, nicer tulle than this, of course, and then that there can just be all bunched up around and into there like that, and then you could just fix that onto there like that. So there you have your beautiful veil, or that could just be pinned and then the veil, the crown put over the top of it. So I think that that's an easy solution if you're looking for something sparkly and regal, looking for a special event. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. I'll see you another day.